Okay, this is why you don't want to use a pressure washer on a car, is because we had water in the cylinders right near where the spark plug is, and the chambers here right before it gets into the cylinder, but it was shorting out the spark plugs and the coils. You can see that they're all wet. So, see that? Just want to get these dry. Want to get them all dry. Okay. Let this build up a little bit.
Yeah, I gotcha. So when you first started using that, man, there was some water flying out of there, right? We kind of missed that, but there's a lot of water in here.
Yeah, there's still some in there.
Really?
I just gotta get enough air in this compressor so I can blow it out.
I gotcha.
Yep. Let's see what we got.
So this car was running like great, really, really good. We took it on a long drive, ran perfectly. And then silly me decided she was going to clean the engine because we had an oil leak coming from the valve covers. We replaced the valve cover out. And whoa.
Light come off.
Yeah, get that all cool while you're at it.
Light looks bad, doesn't it?
Yeah, get it off the stand. I think someone painted that.
Yeah, I think so too, probably.
Holy crap, where's it coming from?
Still in there.
Dang.
A lot of that will burn off when we started. The heat will evaporate. What happened was the water pooled right here.
Really?
And then it just went in there.
Really?
Yeah, because of these walls right here. See here, here, here.
Oh. Okay.
You'd think it would have came out over here. Alright, we're gonna put it back together.
We tried those with a rag too?
Huh? Nah, it'll be alright.
Okay.
As long as the terminals in here are dry,
Yeah.
we can get a good spark. It was shorting out was what was happening. Hope we didn't.
Bad.
Hope we didn't damage anything.
No, we didn't either. Yeah. So yeah, guys, do not use a pressure washer to clean your engine unless you can avoid something like this happening to it.
Yeah, maybe not on this engine.
Yeah, maybe not this one.
This engine is just
Wow.
not a good one to do.
Dang. Okay, so it's a Honda CRV. 2000. Oh no, it's a 1997, right? 997.
It's a Honda CRV,
97 model,
1997.
right? Yeah. So yeah, it's a cute little car. as you can
I
see.
gotta find the key
But it's
for it.
not cute if it doesn't run. Okay, so we're gonna start it, and I'm just really hoping that I have not messed up this engine, because that would really suck. Please work. Okay, it's not sounding good. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Gosh. Hope I didn't get it.
Hope we didn't destroy the distributor. Let me get my test light.
Okay. Okay, so we're checking if we got a spark.
Good. Alright, now, what else do we got going on? We do this.
Yeah?
Hold the pedal all the way down to the floor,
Uh-huh.
and then try to crank it.
I push the
All the way
accelerator?
down to the floor and crank it.
Okay.
And then if it starts, take your foot off the pedal.
Okay. No. It's not starting.
I just unhooked the battery terminal,
Yeah.
and now we're going to see if we can
Is
get
it gonna
started.
like reset it kind of thing?
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay.
This is going to rain, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. That sky looks kind of dark. Yep.
Trying to see where the computer is. I hope we didn't get that wet.
Oh crap. Yeah, I wonder if water got in there. Does it look dry or wet?
It's alright.
Really? What else?
Just don't know.
Where's the computer in this thing, baby?
Huh?
Where's the computer in here? It's not inside that area. at
It's
all.
inside
No.
the cab,
It's inside the cab?
I think.
I hope so.
Well, that's
Gosh.
not tight right there. Why is that not tight? Maybe because I moved it?
Huh.
Shit.
Our fuses all good, babe? Do you know? They look good?
I'm going to check all of them.
Okay.
Here, try to start it again.
Okay. Alright, starting it again.
Pull the spark plug.
We need to pull him?
Yeah.
How's that spark plug look?
A little wet.
Really?
Smells like fuel though.
Okay.
Let's do this. Shit.
Okay, just gonna compress this again.
Run off, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's dry.
Okay. Okay, you spray carb cleaner into something. Oh, it almost started. Gosh, it doesn't sound good.